Hi guys, this is John again from Johndam District, and for today's video guys, another website na naman tayo kung saan ka pwede kumita online. So by the way guys, sa video na to, i-discuss ko kung ano yung mga ways kung paano kayo mag-earn dito. Yung minimum cash out, actually guys, $1 lang ang minimum cash out dito. And of course, papakita ko rin sa inyo yung interface para makita nyo, napaka-user friendly ng application na to guys. Kaya kung gusto nyo, try nyo na. So, umpisa na natin. So guys, this video is for informational and educational purposes only. I personally tested the app and I'm sharing my own experience. Guys, sa application nito or sa website na ito guys, marami kayong task na pwedeng i-complete. So for example, itong treehouse fishing, multitask siya. So as what you can see, ayan no, pag na-complete kayo hanggang level 150, mayroon kayong 0.1 cents dollar. 0.09 pag level 400. Kaya guys, habang naglalaro kayo, kumikita na kayo agad. Diba? Ang ganda nito. Tapos, meron din tayong mga social media task guys. Yung sa mga social media task, mostly pa-follow nyo lang sa Twitter, pa-follow nyo lang sa X, or i-follow nyo lang sa iba pang mga social networking site, kagaya ng Telegram and Facebook as well. So, by the way, other than that is meron din iba pang task na available, which is yung mga quick task. So, quick task, ayan, as what you can see, share, follow, and earn lang on Instagram. Then, you can complete surveys as well. Maaari ka lang kumita dito. And there's actually more. Meron din mga passive income na you can actually try. So, for example, itong multitask, you can try it and also earn more with Honey. Nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan nito, Honey Grain. Honey Grain tong application na to. So, ayan guys. And meron din tayo dito guys na watch and earn. So, manonood lang kayo ng isang YouTube video and then mag-earn na kayo agad ng 0.1 cents. So, imagine kung marami kayong video na watch, di ba? Ganon. So, sobrang ganda nito guys. And to meron ding play to earn. So, laro lang kayo and then kikita kayo. Multitask din yan guys. So, pag may mga na-reach kayong specific level, kumikita kayo. So, premium quick task guys. Ayan, watch YouTube video, maglalaro lang kayo ng pool, and then there's more. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, huwag nyo nang pag na kayo magpatumpik-tumpik pa, try nyo na to at para kumita na rin kayo online, okay? Anyway guys, ang website nga pala ay walang iba kundi ang app.jumptask.io. Guys, para makapag-login kayo dyan, it's either you need to sign up or login with Google, Facebook, or Apple account. So guys, ang payout nga pala dito guys is 1,000 credits equivalent to $1. That's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong to sa iyo. If you have any comment suggestion, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest video. So, see ya!